Dear students, today we will learn about consonant digraphs with some new words. As you know that when two consonant letters come together and produce one new sound, that is called digraph sound in English. Let's start. T and H when comes together produce the sound th, as in the word thumb, as in the word thread, as in the word thick, three and thorn. W and H come together to produce one new sound, W sound, as in white, whistle, wheat and wheel. Th as in thumb, three, thick, thick, 30. W-H-W as in white, eat, wheat, wheel, whistle. Thank you for watching.